Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today on Milanese Math, we're going to be talking about how to convert from standard form to the word form of a number. And if you want to follow along with the handout that we have, it'll be the first link in the description below. So the way I would always describe this to my students is when you talk about the standard form of a number, you're actually using numerical digits to describe the number. But in word form, you're using words. So standard form is numbers, word form is words. And oftentimes they'll ask you to convert from one to the other. So for example, you look at the example that we have here, 285. In standard form, that's 285 using numbers. But in word form, it's spelled out 285. And so in numbers 1 through 5, they want you to convert to standard form. That means they've given it to you in word form, and they just need you to write it down as a number. So as a number, number 1, 67, of course, you probably already know how to do this. It's a 6 and a 7 makes 67. 120 is 120, just like that, 120. I do want to point out though, notice that it didn't say 120, okay? I know this seems like I'm nitpicking here, and I am, but I'm a math teacher, so I get to do that, I guess. If we're going to be practicing this, don't put the and. So it's just 120, not 120. Okay, so just, make me feel better by doing that. So, okay, number 3, 13,120. Well, 13,000 looks like that, and then the 120 looks like that. So altogether, 13,120. Okay, let's try a little bit of a trickier one. Number 4 says 706,590. So break this into the two parts. 706, that's like saying 706, but you're not supposed to use the and. So 706,590. With some of the numbers that get really big, you have to just chunk it. Just take small pieces at a time and then read it back to yourself and make sure that looks right. 706,590. Okay, and then the last one, number 5, 1,200,045. This one's easy to mess up if you're not paying attention. So 1 million, I know that would be a 1 and then a comma. 200,000, so that would look like this. 45. You have to have that placeholder 045. So 1,200,045. Again, if you just take your time, I think you'll be okay with this. But then what they want you to do is essentially the opposite. So in numbers 6, 7, and 8, they want you to convert it to word form. So we're just going to go the opposite direction with this. So 5,910, we actually need to spell that out. So 5,910. Notice I didn't put and 10. It's just force of habit, and I know when you're just talking in a math class or whatever, you usually would use the word and. Technically, you're not supposed to, so. Okay, how about number 7, 202. So we've got 202. That was simple enough. Okay, number 8, I definitely didn't leave enough room to actually write this out, but we'll try our best. So how you would say that out loud is 809,733. So we're just writing all that out. Ready? 809,733. Yeah, I definitely didn't leave enough room, but you get the idea. Okay, so converting from standard form to word form is pretty simple. Just take your time. Remember, try not to say and that's pretty much all there is to it. So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, consider subscribing to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.